So yo, what is up?
Let's fix our eyes on this very new AI by Google, that is, Gemini. Is one of Google's vast language model created by Google AI, trained on a massive dataset of text and code. Speaking of which, Bard is capable of responding to human feeds in a more humanly way, which makes it more peculiar for conversational tasks. For instance, creating images out of text prompts, composing essays, poems, songs, etc. Meanwhile, the Google Assistant seems to be more specifically designed as an assistant to help up with some of the most basic tasks such as setting alarm, reminders, and also regulating the Google Home appliances. Now, as for Bard, it seems that Google hasn't permitted their AI language model to access the Google search, whereas the Google Assistant has been granted that privilege, Assistant being a task-centric AI. More accurately, Assistant is merely searching the web on behalf of you, whilst the Gemini doesn't. As mentioned earlier, Gemini or Bard is an AI language model trained on a database, so it provides responses to your queries using the very data it was trained on. Now, here is a catch. As for Gemini, in practical terms, it can sometimes respond in a wrong or irrelevant manner due to its limitations as a voice model and not being the entire web, which at times may prove to be useful and at times useless. So, now you might be tempted to ask, as for which AI model should you be switching, or which one is more accurate for your purpose? Being honest, this is not a simple question to answer. In other words, the answer is entirely based on what you want to do with these AI models. If you want to be more creative, you can choose Gemini. If you wish to make your work efficient, you can make use of Google Assistant. So it all depends on what your needs are. Personally, I'd prefer Gemini to be as my AI. The reasons are very simple. Gemini as an AI has a lot of potential to grow adaptive to the user's needs, and it is capable of making its own judgment, although it has quite a bit flaws for now. But I think we should give some time to this newly born baby, and give it some time to improve itself. So this was all from my side. If you've enjoyed the video or have gained even an ounce of knowledge, then do upvote. While you're at it, also subscribe to the channel.